I'm going to see if I can see the monkeys. I remember the last time I came, I was able to see it after a long time. So let me see if today I will be lucky, okay? So they normally come out here. Yes, but this is Grenada, by the way. But the young lady said that she has not seen them this morning. And what's the time? It's 9:30. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be lucky to get them or to see them, rather. But let's see how that goes.
Yeah?
Where do you see it?
Right there. Grab the phone, no?
No, you don't want the phone. You want to come and see. Take a picture.
I think a video.
Hey there. Come on. Come on here.
Come closer.
No, not me, not
Come
me.
closer.
No, it's very nice.
Yes.
Don't harm.
Let me
Pull your fingers. Pull your fingers. No, go close.
Oh, like the
Pull your fingers. Pull your fingers. Watch it. If Solomon coming, you have to run.
Really?
Yeah, you have to run. Solomon is going to control up here. See you watching up and down.
But nice, but
Yeah, it's
Boss come. Don't go. The boss. Did you know what I tell you?
Yeah.
Watch out, not touch. The boss come.
Watch.
That's the boss. That's the boss. Come. That's the boss. You're supposed to be up here. That's the boss. Solomon.
I thought it was a big one, that's already.
You see what I tell you? You see what happened? Yeah.
Solomon.
That's Solomon. That's the thing. Then had a big troop there. When you finish it, then call up all those. Yes. Interlock your fingers. That's the boss. Solomon. Come on. See you run. See what I tell you? That's the boss. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, man. 1, 2, 3.
that's my boy.
Yeah.
That's the boss.
That's my boy. And the paw is very soft.
Yeah.
What's the young ones in them over there?
Abby, make sure you take out the picture.
Yes.
Oh, that's the boss.
Hi, for
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
yeah.
You tell. Yeah. Let's see, I didn't lie. You see, I didn't lie. See, I tell you? Yeah, he's in charge. He control up here. He control a big troop. That's his wife and his children. So you turn. Stand there.
Come on.
Come on.